Hello everybody, I'm Simon from FTMO, and today I will show you how you can install your very own Mentor application. So when you are at FTMO website, you want to go to your client area. Here you will find all of your active accounts, and there is an option for the Mentor app. So let's open that. And you will be redirected here to set up your Mentor application. So now, the first thing that you want to do is download files. Let's open that real quick. And now you will see that you have two options from which you can choose. You can either run this program, which will basically install your Mentor application to all of your MT4 and MT5 platforms, and basically you will just press continue, continue and continue until you eventually get there. Or you can use this file, so open that and copy these two files to your MT4 data folder. So let's do that. Let's copy these two. Open your MT4 platform, and now I will show you where you can find your data folder. You will go here to File, Open Data Folder, and just paste it in there. Okay, so now you are ready. And the easiest thing to do now is to just open the graph and insert a template that we have prepared for you. So it's called FTMO Mentor App English. And as you can see, it has opened for us, but you still have to set up your settings, your rules. So let's do that. Here you can see that you can set up your Mentor application. I have chosen to set up my max daily loss limit to minus 2000 because I'm trading 500k challenge. So my max daily loss is actually 2500 in order not to violate this rule. So I want to be careful. I have set it to 2000. For max loss, I have max loss of 5000 in order not to violate this limit, and I have set it to 4000. For daily profit target, I have set 1000, and you can pretty much set up some different values here. For example, your daily volume limit. You can, for example, set maximum of 10 lots. And I also want to show you that I have this forbidden instrument. It's Euro and New Zealand dollar. So let's just confirm this configuration. And it worked. Let's open my MT4 platform. And as you can see, I am here on Euro New Zealand dollar. And I will now try to open a position. Okay, and as you can see, there is a forbidden instrument opened. So you can also close this trade or all forbidden trades. But you have to have auto trading allowed. So let's enable that. And now I will click this. And as you can see, my error trades have been closed. And this basically works on every error trade that violates your set rules. Your set rules are visible here. So here you can see that my forbidden instruments is just this Euro and New Zealand dollar. I have these set limits, and these are my actual values. This is my current equity. As you can see, I am in a slight profit. And as you have seen already, here are shown some error trades. So now I want to talk a little bit about the alerts. There are now for you several options for you to set up the alerts. These are just regular alerts when you are trading, so you want to leave those on. You can also get emails, and you can also set up notifications for you. And when you just get your cursor here, you can always see how to get there. Okay, I hope that this makes it more understandable. Check out our social media and follow FTMO for more information. And see you guys later.